Hi my beautiful viewers, if you are new here, my name is Maaz and you are watching Mother Fashion YouTube channel. Catherine Elizabeth Middleton was born on January 9, 1982 in Reading, Berkshire, England. She was raised in a middle-class family by her parents, Michael and Carly, and has two younger siblings, Pippa and James. Now we are going to talking about his education. Cat attended local school in Berkshire, including SC Andrews School and Melbourne College. She then studied art history at University of SC Andrews in Scotland, where she met Prince William. Married to Prince William, Kate and William began dating in 2003 and became engaged in 2010. They married on April 29, 2011 at Westminster Abbey in London. The wedding was watched by millions worldwide and marked Kate's transition into the British royal family. As the Duchess of Cambridge, Kate has undertaken various royal duties and charitable engagement. She has become known for her fashion sense, her support of British designers, and her advocacy for mental health and children's wellness. Kate and William have three children: Prince George, born 2013, Princess Charlotte, born 2015, and Prince Louis, born 2018. Kate has been praised for her hands-on approach to motherhood and her efforts to balance royal duties with family life. Kate is known for her kindness, compassion, and dedication to her charitable causes. She is also recognized for her elegance and poise in public appearance. Kate has faced media scrutiny and public attention throughout her relationship with Williams and her time as a royal. She has also faced criticism for her fashion choice, her perceived lack of experience in royal duties. Kate Middleton has become an integral member of British royal family and a beloved figure in British public life. Her marriage to Prince William has helped modernize the monarchy, and her charitable work has made a positive impact on the various cases. So my beautiful viewers, join us on a Mother Fashion, your ultimate destination for daily updates on famous women from around the world. From royalty to celebrities to thought out leaders, we bringing you to the latest news, trends and inspiration from the lives of these incredible women. So subscribe to our channel for a fresh dose of female empowerment every day. Our videos will feature biographies of famous women, fashion tips and trends, lifestyle inspiration, updates on women's rights and issues, and much more. From Kate Middleton to Winfrey, Michael Obama to Taylor Swift, we cover it all. Get the latest scope on your favorite famous women and stay inspired by their stories, achievements and passion. Mother Fashion is more than just a channel, it's a community of like-minded women who support and uplift each other. Join us and become a partner of this amazing network. So hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to stay up to date on our latest videos. We cannot wait to share our content with you. So my beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, thank you very much for watching this video and joining us. Please tell me in comment box what do you like in my video and which type of video do you like in future. So my beautiful viewers, on my channel I share my passion for fashion and beauty, from stylish outfit ideas to makeup tutorials and product reviews. I also love sharing my favorite lifestyle tips and tricks, from home decor to pretending advice to help you live your best life. My goal is to create a community where we can all share our love of fashion and beauty and support and inspire each other. So subscribe to Mother Fashion and hit the notification bell to stay up to date on all my latest videos and join the conversation. My beautiful viewers and all my subscribers, I wanted to take a moment to share with you my exciting news. I recently launched my YouTube channel. So please subscribe my channel and support me. On my channel you will get to see the latest fashion, trend and style from American woman, Belgian woman, France woman, worldwide woman, the best fashion I will show you in my videos. So thanks again for watching this video. Take care.